Welcome to Paige Family Homestead. I'm Andy. That's Peggy behind the counter.
I'm behind the counter.
She's can't. How'd you get back there? Anyway, today we are going to make one of Andy's restaurant's favorites. It's a potato, bacon, and egg sandwich, but not on bread. Okay, so now what I'm going to do...
What are you going to do?
I'm not going to tell you. I've got a potato here. What I'm going to do with the potato is I'm going to cut it in chunks, pieces like this. Oh!
Why aren't you using this one?
Because I got this one. You want them about, say about that thick.
Okay. Watch your finger.
Yep. There we go. And I'll do the other one too as well.
Oh, so you use two cutting boards.
Yes, 2 cutting boards.
You need 2 cutting boards for this.
You do. At Andy's restaurant, I have many cutting boards. Okay, so we're going to cut that there, like that.
Oh. That knife is sharp.
I know, I sharpened it.
I know.
And there we go.
Now.
So you want them about that thick, right?
Okay.
I would. Anyway, so I would use that knife, but I would get in trouble for dirtying 2 knives. So what I've got is I've got skewers. Just wooden skewers. You don't want metal ones. So what we do...
Why not?
Because they'll wreck your knife.
Oh.
So what we'll do is I turn it sideways like this, and I'm going to make just horizontal cuts like this, just down to the wood. Now, I'm going to turn it over, and we're going to go this way with it.
So the wood skewers stop you from going
Yep,
all the way
that would,
through.
yeah, it stops you from going all the way through. And what we got, can you see that through there?
Maybe not in the window. In the light, right?
Yeah, in the light,
Maybe
yeah.
pull it down, do it. There you go.
See
there
that?
you go. Yeah.
And now what we'll do is we'll put a skewer through this one. Right through the middle here. And that gives it something to hold on to, so you can go like this with it. Just enough to hold it open like that. See?
Yeah.
It's pretty, isn't it?
It is.
Okay, so I've got one there done.
You're going to do 3 more?
I'm going to do 3 more.
And we'll be back.
I'll bring you right back. We've got them done. And they're all just beautiful. Just perfect, the way you'd like it.
Oh, hold it there. I got it.
See?
Yeah.
Both
wow.
sides. Both sides. So, same with this one here.
Huh.
They're all about the same. Perfect. And this one here.
It's perfect. Just
perfect. Okay, now what we're going to do is I'm going to put, and there's no real measurement for this, I haven't figured it out yet, but I'm going to put just a little sprinkle of, what is this, onion powder in. Just about that much, maybe a little more. Maybe a 1/4 teaspoon, that's what I'd say. 1/4 teaspoon of that, onion powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder.
The garlic is our homemade garlic powder. The onion will be.
Oh, the onion will.
Isn't that strong?
It is, yes.
I know, I prefer homemade.
So we got that there. And we're going to use, oh no, not that one. Where's the paprika? Oh, right here. Smoked paprika.
Okay.
But half of a quarter, I'd say,
Okay.
of that in there.
Salt to your own liking.
And yes, and then it's Uncle Steve's from the back door behind the garage barbecue. Uncle Steve's original spice. And again,
We're really liking the original one so
just
far.
a sprinkle of that. You don't
What
need
did
a
you
lot.
put? You put the gator one on your popcorn.
I put the gator one on, and it was good. Now I'm going to do a little bit of a sprinkle of olive oil over this. Well, there's 4, so I need a
little more.
little more. Yeah. As we go along, just rip that all in together.
Oh, he's preheating his oven.
At 420 degrees.
425.
425, okay, that's right. That's what I meant to say. I think I need a little bit more oil because I got 4 to do. Oops. And spread it around a little bit further for both
He
sides.
made these the other day.
They were good.
Kids, when you come down, you're going to have to ask for these.
Andy's Restaurant potato sandwich. Breakfast sandwich. Okay, now what we're going to do, mix that all together. Get them all married in there. You married? Yeah. Happy honeymoon. Okay, here we go. And we're going to just coat them. Coat them in there, get them good and coated.
Goes down in
all
those
the way around.
cracks.
All the way around.
Oh, smells good already.
Mm. Ooh, that's liquid gold. Look at that.
You know what? We were playing around with the Uncle Steve shakes and the different ones for the different foods, and oh my goodness.
And it works because I'm getting the shakes.
They're so
I want it so bad.
They're so good.
Okay, I don't think I made enough of this, but because I got to do the back sides of it, right?
Yeah. Should be okay.
We'll see how far it goes. If not, I'll just make
See
another
how it
batch.
seeped through the side and into the cracks? You can see it on this side. It came through. Nice. And they bake at 425 degrees
Yep.
for 20 to 25 minutes. About halfway through. Did you flip the other ones?
No, I never
Halfway?
flipped. No.
No?
No, I just did it.
Oh, they were good. Perfect amount. Look at that.
Actually, that just did it nicely.
Yeah.
There's some.
So in the oven they go for the next step.
Yep. Okay, we're done this. So, now, into the oven. Oh, it's not ready yet, is it?
No.
Okay. But we'll be putting them in the oven when it's ready. So I'll bring you right back. Okay. Bring you back because I wanted perfection. I made more. And I want them soaked in this. This is beautiful. Like all the way around. Around the sides. You can never have too much. You know what I'm saying? All the way around the sides.
Oh man, that smells
It's going to be good. Now, underneath this here, I've got parchment paper, not wax paper. Parchment paper. Just follow the simple guidelines at Andy's Restaurant, you'll never fail.
You
Yeah,
said,
see, that was just the perfect amount, right?
yeah.
The extra.
You're going to put Parmesan on?
Yes. Now I'll take the Parmesan cheese we have here and sprinkle it on.
Oh gosh. The kids are all going to be wanting these. You're going to be making
Oh,
them
yeah.
ahead.
I have to. Alrighty. So, and again, we'll bring it back when the oven's preheated. Well, I went to the camera and I looked in it. So I figured, okay, they're not out there. So I put it in the oven anyway. Oh, you're back now. Okay, so you missed that part. So anyway, they're done. Here they are. Look at that. I'll just transfer them over to here. Both sides done perfectly. There
Oh,
you go.
yeah.
And then I'll take this out. You don't need the skewers in there now. Oh. There's another one.
And that just lets them cool some.
Yep.
And takes any grease off. Oh, they smell so good. They look good. They feel good.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Isn't that beautiful?
That's his bread, guys. Look at that.
And it's gluten free. Okay, now we're going to fry the eggs up. Homemade eggs.
Homemade.
Right from the Paige family homestead. Egg chickens.
The famous chickens.
Rhode Island red chicken.
You know what? We have 11. They're new. They're babies. This is their first time laying. And we're getting...
10.
We had 10 yesterday, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Like, these birds don't even know it's Canadian winter. They just keep laying.
That's okay.
Yeah.
We can handle it.
Okay, we're going to fast forward this.
Yep. Okay, now we got the top half of the sandwich. Just like that.
Oh, let me
Doesn't that
get
look good?
in. Oh, yeah. Gluten-free.
Gluten free, yes sir, Bobcat Tail Dixie.
I want to see you eat that.
Yes, well.
Really?
Okay. This is the part of the job I hate the most.
I know. I'm so
Taste testing.
sorry to have to make it you all the time.
Okay.
I would use a fork and knife.
I think I'm gonna.
Oh, that looks good. Kids, you gotta order this when you come home. Look at that.
And don't forget, folks, you can get anything you want. Andy's Restaurant. Man tool. Ready? Where would you be without a man tool? You'd have to use your fingers. Oh, listen to the crunch.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God.
You got your potato,
That's big.
bacon,
Everything.
egg, cheese.
That's a breakfast sandwich.
No bread. Hot?
Really good. This is so good. Wow. I tell you.
That seasoning just knocks it, doesn't it?
Yeah, you can taste it. The original's the best. I love it so far.
Yeah.
Very good. Now, if you like this video, which I know you're gonna, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget that notification bell over here. Ding, 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 ding. It'll let you know when every video is available and ready for the next one. Okay.
Ready for the next one.
Okay, we'll see you next video. Thanks for joining us.
So good, isn't it?
Oh yeah, you got to taste that.
Oh, I have, but yeah, I will
Not
get
now.
mine. No.
Very good. Got a plate? Got a
Cool.
plate?
Yep.